Everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are healthy and happy. So let's talk about our childhood favorite food. What memories can you think of when you cook or eat it? Well, mine, it reminds me of the simplicity of life. I grew up in Bantayan, Cebu, but my family moved here in Manila when I was in second year high school. I do miss that part in my life, yung where I can breathe yung fresh air, sariwa pa yung mga food, di masyadong, kumakain ng mga processed food, and of course, yung pagiging worry-free kid natin. Sobrang nakakamiss. Those were the days, lalo na ngayon, di ba, napaka-chaotic ng mundo natin, and yung mga beautiful memories ng ating mga kabataan, it really can put a smile on our face and make us appreciate life more. So speaking of appreciation, I'm sharing with you my favorite dish that never grew old, as I still eat it and cook it not only for my family but also my go-to baon to bring it sa office for lunch. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So, ito yung mga ingredients. First, we have squash or kalabasa. Hindi pwedeng mawala yan. It's one of my favorite gulay and it's good for the eyes. We have tuna mackerel. Any fish will do. Isa rin sa mga favorite kong fish na hinahalo dito is yung galunggong. And of course, my freshly picked vegetables from my mama's garden. I am really so blessed and grateful that I have a mother who is very passionate about gardening, because without her garden, no more fresh gulay. So we have lemongrass or tanglad, moringa or malunggay, malabar spinach. I didn't know ito pala yung English ng alugbati. Good to know. And lastly, yung green chili pepper. These vegetables have a lot of health benefits, kaya napaka-nutritious ng meal na to. You can also use your favorite veggies, like for example, yung eggplant, yung okra, and talbos. I don't have those, kaya wala siya dito sa ingredients. Alright, so next, let's cook. So let's start cooking. First, fry the fish until golden brown and set it aside. In a pot, add 1.5 cup of water or more, depends on you. I'm only cooking for myself, so I opt for less water para mas masarap at malasa yung dish. Then bring the water to a boil. Then add the lemongrass. Let it simmer for 2 minutes. And tips, you can grind or crush the lemongrass, lalo na yung may makakapal na stock. And then add our onion and garlic. Then our fried fish. Mas okay sana kung we have fresh chives or yung dahon ng sibuyas, but since wala tayo, but it's good that I have dried chives. It's better than nothing. And the iconic black pepper to add flavor to our dish. And then salt. Mas maganda ding alternative yung fish sauce instead of salt. Chili green pepper. I also added the leftover rosemary, and yes, I forgot the squash. Dapat kasabay siya nung lemongrass kanina. So while waiting, let's cook our rice. Actually, sinasabay ko na to save time. For this meal, I use black rice. Since this is a healthy meal, let's go healthy all the way. So when I cook rice, I use, they call it the first knuckle method, and I've been doing this method since I learned how to cook. So, and it never fails me. So how about you guys? Do you use this method or the measuring cup? And then our fresh veggies, yung malunggay and alugbati. And then after adding them, I turn off yung induction cooker just to let the boiling water cook the veggies, kasi ayokong ma-overcook and lost its nutritional value. the moment of truth, the best part of cooking is to taste it. Well, as expected, it's super delicious, and if you are curious how does it taste like, maybe you can try it for yourself and find out kung magugustuhan nyo din siya like me. So we're done, and the feeling of satisfaction and joy after you cook and you know that it's healthy, it's tasty, and you will have your food later pagpasok mo sa work. There you go. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and it reminds you of your favorite childhood food, snacks, or dish. And here's the challenge for you to cook your favorite childhood food or try this dish. It's really easy, quick, healthy, and tasty. So let me know in the comment section your experience while cooking or preparing it, and if you like it, I believe you'll do. So bye for now. See you on my next video. God bless, and always choose to be happy and healthy.